this video, I'll talk about how and when to return to normal activity after your acute back injury. There are 5 main goals of your rehabilitation process after an acute back pain injury. The first is to identify and eliminate the possible cause of the back injury. The second is to reduce pain and inflammation around the injured area. The third is to restore full range of pain-free movement. The fourth is to achieve optimal flexibility and strength. And 5 is to maintain function and fitness throughout your injured period. Originally, your focus is on reducing pain as well as keeping moving. The goal is to have a gradual progress of increasing your range of motion and your mobility. After this initial period, it's really important to change those goals. Those goals will be to increase your range of motion in all directions. First, start with that directional preference direction, be that flexion, extension or rotation. Once you have full pain-free range of motion in that direction, it's really important to start increasing your range of motion in all other directions. After you have achieved full range of motion, the next goal is to increase your strength. By doing some basic strengthening exercises, the aim is to increase your strength back to your normal strength before your back injury occurred. Once you have no pain, full range of motion, and back to your normal strength, that's when you can start thinking about getting back into activities such as the gym, sport, or starting to do your daily activities around the house. When returning to activity, this is a vulnerable time. Approximately 15% of people re-injure their back in this time period. Just because you have no pain, it doesn't mean the problem isn't there. It's really important to go through those goals before starting to do a couple of those things which you think might be appropriate. If going back to sport is important in part of your goal process, it's really important to take that gentle as well. Start with a light training session, then complete a full training session before even thinking about starting a full game.